how to record your screen on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Let's dive right in. So to record your screen on the keyboard, you'll have to press on Windows, Shift and R at the same time, and you can see something pop up on the top. Now you'll see two icons. One is camera and another is recorder. So if you want to record a video, you have to tap on the recorder, and then once you tap on it, you will see that you need to select an area. So just drag from where you want to start and then select the area that you want to record. And after that, you can see that there is mic option on the top. So you can toggle it on if you want to speak in the video. And then you can just hit start. And that's it. That's how you record on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.